A lot of freelancers think remote jobs are globally, but the truth is, many platforms silently block users by country. What most people don't know is that there is a clean and safe way to access this site without risking your account. In this video, I'll break down how that works and why I personally use IPcook to access restricted remote jobs platforms. Before we start, one quick thing I want to put it out. IPcook is priced very competitively compared to similar proxy providers. You are getting solid performance and features, but at one of the lowest price points in the market, which is why I'm using it for this setup. I'm reviewing a tool I personally use called IPcook. IPcook is a residential proxy service that gives you real home IP addresses, not fake or data center ones. That's important because this IP shows up as elite and clean when checked, which helps you avoid blocks and account issues. IPcook also lets you keep the same IP for hours, even up to a full day, and it works with both HTTP and SOCKS 5, so it's compatible with most browsers and tools. On top of that, it's fast, it supports many locations worldwide, and you only pay for what you actually use with no hidden fees. The first thing you want to do is head over to your browser and type in ipcook.com. Once the site loads, you'll notice a clean and simple layout, nothing confusing, which is great because sometimes these tools can look intimidating. On the home page, look for the sign up button. It's usually right at the top. Click it and you'll be asked to enter some basic details like your email address and password. Make sure you use an email you check regularly because IPcook will send you a verification link. After submitting your details, check your inbox and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once you're in, you'll immediately see the dashboard. This is where you can manage your IPs, check your usage, and configure settings. Don't worry about getting lost here. The interface is very user friendly. By the end of this step, your account is ready to use and you are officially set up to start exploring IPcook's proxies. This setup alone takes just a minute, but it's crucial because having your account ready is the first move to accessing those restricted remote job platforms safely. Now that your account is ready, the next step is to take a quick tour of IPcook dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Right on the main page, you will see the navigation links: buy proxy, set up proxies, manage proxies, and usage statistics. Everything you need is right there. No endless menus or hidden sections. On the same page, you'll also find quick access to frequent asked questions, API docs, the blog, and social media links, which is helpful if you ever get stuck on or want extra tips. On this single page, you can also see the three main types of proxy available. Residential proxies are perfect for avoiding blocks with over 55 million IP across 185 plus locations, super fast speeds, and sticky sessions so you can stay logged in for hours. ISP proxy give you unlimited bandwidth and city level targeting, while data center proxies offer ultra low latencies for speed focused tasks. Each type clearly shows pricing, status, and a create an order button, so you can pick exactly what you need in seconds. Finally, right here, remaining traffic, balance, and top up button if you need more. Spending just a minute on this page gives you a full understanding of your options, so you're ready to set up your first proxy and start accessing restricted remote job sites safely. Before you can start using proxies, you'll need to make sure your account has enough balance. On the dashboard, you'll see current balance, which in this example is $4. To add funds, head over to the top up section. Here you can choose several payment methods: credit card, Visa or MasterCard, Google Pay, Alipay, local payments, or even cryptocurrency through crypto mass. Though, keep in mind there is a 3% non-refundable fee for crypto payments. Next, enter the recharge amount. The minimum is $20. The system will automatically calculate a processing fee, which is in this example 5.5% or $1.10, and making the total payment to be $21. If you are paying in another currency, it also shows the conversion. For instance, $21 equals about 1,767.03. Once everything looks correct, just click the continue to pay button and the transaction will be processed almost instantly. And that's it. Your top up and ready to start creating proxy orders. Having sufficient balance is the key first step to accessing those restricted remote job websites without interruption. Once your balance is ready, head back to the dashboard and click on the residential proxies, then select create an order. This brings you to the pricing page where IPcook lay everything out clearly so you can choose what fits your need without confusion. You will see several plans here. The basic plan starts at $3.2 per GB, giving you 1 GB of traffic with sticky session up to 24 hours, free geo-targeting up to 10 free sub-accounts. This plan is perfect if you are just getting started or testing remote job platforms. There are also larger plans like Advanced, Small Enterprise, and Enterprise, which offer lower prices per GB and massive traffic packages. But for beginners, the basic plan is more than enough. So for this setup, select the basic plan and click buy now. After confirming the package details, complete the order. Within seconds, your residential proxy traffic is activated and you are ready to start accessing remote jobs websites that normally block user by location safely and without risking your account. Now that the order is completed, it's time to actually connect the proxy. What I recommend using is iXbrowser because it's one of the best browsers for anti-detect setups. Go ahead, download iXbrowser, install it and open it up. Once it's running, just follow exactly what I'm doing on the screen. You'll add the IPcook proxy details into the browser, save the profile and launch it. That's it. From this point on, everything you do inside the browser is running through a clean residential IP, which is what you need before accessing any restricted remote job websites. Before using any website, it's important to test the proxy. Open a new tab inside the iXbrowser profile and go to Pixelscan. Run the test and watch the results. If everything stays consistent and nothing looks suspicious, that's a good sign the proxy is working properly. Next, head over to Scamalytics and check the fraud score. What you want here is the lowest score possible. If the risk level shows low, then you are good to go. Once both checks pass, you can confidently start using remote job platforms knowing your IP looks clean and safe. And that's it for today. Stay tuned for more updates on tools and tips to access restricted remote job sites safely. There's plenty more coming your way.